traders, welcome back to a new year and new opportunities. We got NMQ here, Nasdaq 100 micros, and let's see yesterday's performance. I took two trades on NMQ, got one loss, two wins. Average win, average divided by average loss is almost 2, and then 66% win rate. So good trading days today. Could have taken a lot more because in hindsight there are a lot of trades. Always easier in hindsight, right? But start here. We are essentially in a huge range here. Kind of range, it's not really, but it's kind of a range. Maybe we can draw it like this. A bit tighter. So have that in mind. So when we bounce it off here, yesterday early morning for me, or pre-lunch, I usually don't draw that much here, but we got a second entry here. Break, second entry. You can scalp this one really cleanly. You can also go for runner for an easy 78 or something ticks, almost 80 ticks perhaps, or you can run it all the way. There are a few trades here. I was not at computer at the start, so I missed out on this one, but we're rallying up here. And this one should actually be, well, I'm gonna mark it blue because we're essentially in a tight range here, so you have to scalp. There's no room, most likely to. But you scalp for a 1-to-1 here. And I'm not really looking for shorts, but at this time, looking in hindsight, this should be perhaps this color, right? But oh, this might be yeah, that's another color. Sorry about that. What color do we even have? Royal blue, maybe confer blue. Yeah, looks better. Should probably be a color like this because in this range is a triple test. Not the best bar, but I think we're still in this range. And look at this, it's actually probably a trade too. We got two legs down here, but what I want to draw is this. First entry, second entry, use the support as resistance now. It's also trade, but I'm not really looking for shorts here. You could obviously, but it's two huge legs up here. They do not measure out well, but yeah, no, they don't. But essentially, we're trading a range, right? As I said, so you could go for both long and short. We've got two weaker legs down here. I'm actually gonna mark this orange at the time. I think it's harder to understand that this could be a lower high. We got a new high here after two legs down. Then we get this reaction. This is a good bar, and I think you can really go long here. I mean, so we're getting a bullish imbalance here, right? Here it was bearish imbalance. Bearish imbalance. You see all this space here. I don't know. Can I draw something? Look at all this space. Like here it's tight. Here it's also imbalance. So here you want to go long, and here you want to go short. If you're in this range, right? And now we got a little bit of imbalance here. We got two measured legs down. We're starting already here at this point, getting some imbalance because we did not, after this, push hard down. We kind of went sideways, I say, in a tight range. So that's the price action there. And you can mark this however you want, but I'd probably be careful there. But after this, there is just a huge leg up. You get a lot of a big push essentially. Let me get some coffee. Um, we push back into another range. And here's where I started to look at the chart, so I missed a lot. I was just not available to trade at the moment, but I was kind of looking at something like this. You know, we copy this because we pushed above, and then I was looking at something like this if this smaller range here was something. And I guess it kind of is. It's not that bad of an analysis. It's just this don't happen that often, but you can probably trade it. So you get a new range. We already break it here, but it's like then you would have to adjust like this, perhaps. So maybe there is a totally new trend channel here. I'm gonna remove that because I like to, after a big break, we get a new market structure here. Let's do like this. We break, new high. Let's type that. New high. That's the big move for the day. Or the biggest, like, single leg move or two leg move. Um, I'm not really looking for short here. This is just one. This is the first entry on the top here. We could definitely go for a second entry here. Either here or here. I'd be safer going for this. And you can. It's like 50. Oh, you can scalp out there. It's almost at the midline, but I think it's safe. And again, not really looking for short, but this is also good. Right there. Uh, wow, why do I keep doing that? I got a late entry here. Let's say first entry, second entry. I got a little bit of late entry, but I measured it as if I were to enter here. I measured it like that, so 30, 38, 39 ticks. We got that scalp. Um, yeah, you can definitely take this one. It's kind of dodgy, so it's not the best, but I think it's alright. It's decent. Rally up. You can take that as a lower high, it's not really viable. Maybe you can take this, honestly. So you push up. First entry, second entry. I mean, in hindsight you can, but this is a huge bar. It is 60 ticks. This bar, I mean, it works out obviously, but you know, it's not that great. Um, to take these, I mean, you have to size down, perhaps. One second. So moving forward, I did not find that many trades here. First entry, second entry, not good. But this is a lower high actually. Yeah, it is. It's good. Can take it. I think, let me see. Mm. I just don't like that it kind of rejected. It is outside kind of. I have to be careful here. I'd rather not take it. If you have to, you can size down if you missed out on this that is still in the pullback channel, so to speak. But it is I think this is actually a good confirmation channel. I mean, it's off EMA, off the trend line, like that. So, and in this, I know there's two trend lines here, but I was kind of messing around because we pushed so much down. It's kind of messing around with a larger trend channel, but if we break it, make a new low, then you can't take this second entry. So it's a bit subjective. It's not easy to trade here. That's why. And if it's not easy to trade and it's not clear, I rather, skip out on this trade and trade something else because there were so many trades yesterday. Second is gonna pause. Okay, I said to prepare my, because the EU session is opening now, so I said to prepare. It's 9 o'clock here. I don't win a range here. You can find trades here and there. First entry, second entry. I like this one. It's good. First entry, second entry short. This one is maybe a bit tight to get out it from. Let's see, yeah, it's 76 ticks. You can get out 1-to-1. You have to be careful there. But we rally up here. I don't see any trades here really. No, it's no trade. Well, rally up. We get in this. Get in this range here. And I do take a trade here. Obviously a little bit late as usual, but it is a first entry, second entry. Confirming here. Really nice. To take this, and I could have held this, but we got up to this point. I was like, yeah, I'm out here. It was a good trade though, and I mean, there probably are trades. I mean, you can probably argue for maybe even a trade here or a trade first entry, second entry, maybe here. Like you can argue for trades there, but I'm gonna mark them. It's a bit late for that. Overall, oh Jesus, I need to stop with these stupid clicks. Overall, maybe you can find a larger channel like this, perhaps. I don't know. It's an upward day at least that we can take from it. Right now we're rallying down. I did not trade here, but this is a nice second entry. Right off the key entry point. Two of them. This is always nice to see. So thank you for watching, and hopefully we get a good start of the year here. Take care and good luck.